welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's third video, I will be showing you how to download fonts on iPhone. So what you're going to need is Safari or Google, whatever software you use, and you're going to search up dafont.com. Once you search up dafont.com, it's going to go to this website with all these fonts that you can download. So I actually like cartoony fonts. So I'm going to go to like a cartoon fonts, but you can go to any fonts that you want. I don't really see one that catches my eye. Let me go to the second page. I actually like this Bing Bang Boom. So I'm going to click download. And this is going to pop up, so you're going to click download once again. And at the top right corner, you're going to see an arrow bouncing up and down. So you're going to click that arrow. You're going to click the font that you just downloaded. And it's going to show all your files. So this is the one that I just downloaded. You're going to click share. Then you are going to scroll to where you want to download it to. And I want to download it to Phonto. So I'm going to take you to the Phonto app. And then you're going to click install again, and it's going to be installed into your Phonto software. So let's check to see if it's actually installed. So I'm going to get a plain image, just going to use it, and I'm going to search or type hi, and I'm going to go to the font that we just made, which is Bing Bang Boom, and to me it actually looks like it works. So that is how you download a font on your iPhone from dafont.com. I hope that was very beneficial and easy for you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one.